There is absolutely nothing wrong with being an introvert. People see this as a weakness, but in reality, it's a strength that many people don't realize they have. Are you an introvert who is struggling to start a conversation with someone? Well, don't worry. You are lucky you found us right on time, because today we are going to share some of the secrets about how you can start a conversation with someone even if you're an introvert. So, let's uncover all of the secrets together. As you may already know, many people love to talk about themselves. So, that's a great place to start. Initiate a conversation with someone by asking more about them. This can almost always guarantee the start of a smooth conversation. After that, just follow up with additional questions without prying too much and show genuine interest in their answers. And there you go. You just started an amazing conversation. If you want to break your communication barriers, stay with us until the end of the video to find out more. Hello and welcome to our channel, Introvert. We are back with another amazing topic, and today we are going to share some great tips on how to make small talk as an introvert. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing videos. It is common for introverts to be shy and dislike small talk or engaging in conversations with others. Introverts usually keep their thoughts to themselves and don't like sharing them too often. So, if there is something going on in your mind that you want to say, allow yourself to speak up. You might be scared of the negative feedback that might come from sharing your thoughts, but even if you get negative feedback, it's an opportunity to learn. Eventually, you will learn to become a more confident speaker. Occasionally, you might sound silly, but people will forget it soon enough. So, don't stop yourself from opening up. Instead, learn to embrace who you are. Disclosing your thoughts and emotions builds intimacy, which is key to building strong relationships. Next, you need to learn to take action even when you are shy. Introverts aren't necessarily shy, but research has found that introversion and shyness are sometimes related. Shyness is a personality trait, and people are shy due to several reasons. You may not know it, but shyness and other personality traits are keeping you from being who you truly are. So, you need to move past these traits in order to start meaningful conversations and build great connections with others. What are the benefits of being an introvert? And how can being an introvert reduce your daily problems? To find out, make sure you watch until the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing advice to change your life for the better. You might not know that introverts are very good listeners because they don't talk about themselves. They listen to the people around them, and that's what makes people attracted to them. Introverts are also very conscious when it comes to making friends, and they always choose the best because of their ability to judge people from the way they talk and what they talk about. So, are these long calls and day-long conversations annoying you? Do you just want to get rid of them and keep chats simple by quickly getting to the point? Well, in that case, your introvert side might come in handy, as introverts keep the conversation as short as they can. The world is full of possibilities, and as an introvert, you might face many difficulties in life. But by following our tips and tricks, you will truly overcome your fears, and we hope you can finally open up about whatever you have been keeping to yourself. That's all for today, guys. So, what do you think about our video? Share with us in the comments section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see our upcoming videos and learn new ways to become a better version of yourself. Thanks for watching.